Hey guys, Ed here. Today in this video we have 2016 Toyota Corolla, and in this video I would like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs in this car. It's a very simple procedure, everyone can do this, so let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk. Pop the trunk, and here we have two sets of lights. Okay, so we have light here and here. So to change light here, it's very simple. You just take this piece off, and here you got a light. So you spin it and pull it out, and it comes out easy. Then you just pull it off with the fingers using two hands, replace it, and when you're done, just wiggle it back in place. I'm trying to find the correct position, and that's it. This thing is a little bit trickier. Here we have two plastic pieces we have to get out. So we have to get out one and well, different tools would be easier, but okay, we can even do it like this. So get this cover out of the way and you have access to the bulbs. So now, very simple, if you have to replace something, spin and pull out. Turn signal. What is this? This looks like a brake. And if you need to get the bulb out, you just pull it off with the fingers. Same way when you replace it, just put it in and spin it like this. Very simple. Okay, once you're done, you just close this and this, and the same procedure with both other sides. So this one and this one. As you can see, it's very easy. Everyone can do this. So guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.